The holiday weekend could start off with nature's version of its own fireworks for the Northeast as frontal boundaries help kick off plenty of storms with thunder and lightning on Saturday. Any storm that forms during the summer has the chance of going severe, but meteorologists will be watching the I-95 corridor from northern Virginia through Boston and the northern plains for the best chance of organized severe weather. The National Hurricane Center issued storm warnings in parts of South Carolina ahead of Tropical Storm Colin's arrival, which was carrying 40 miles per hour winds as of early Saturday. It is in these zones that the Storm Prediction Center says damaging winds are likely and a few of the storms could even produce hail. Be prepared, beachgoers and barbecuers. The New York and New Jersey areas will feel the heat when temperatures climb to nearly 90 degrees Saturday afternoon as thunderstorms are expected to roll into the region. The combination of storms on Friday and a lack of FAA employees at least one control center contributed to massive delays in the skies across the U.S. .7% of flights departing Newark Liberty International Airport were canceled as of early Saturday morning, according to FlightAware. LaGuardia Airport also canceled 7% of its outgoing flights. John F. Kennedy Airport canceled the least outgoing flights in the tri-state area Saturday morning, grounding 20 flights. Even though thunderstorms could be hundreds of miles away, it doesn't mean your flight will be on time. With thunderstorms in the forecast for major hubs on Saturday, holiday travel has the potential to come to a crawl. Sunday forecast. The front impacting weather in the east will slowly drift southward for the second half of the weekend. The boundary will help enhance showers and thunderstorms over the mid-Atlantic and southeast on Sunday. The SPC expects some of these storms to turn severe and has highlighted an area from Virginia to Georgia, where thunderstorms could produce damaging winds. Scattered storms will again be possible throughout the plains and northern Rockies.